When we look at this week, we're looking at the financial systems. You'll notice that there's a group of institutions that help individuals make decisions on how they're going to operate in our economy. It's going to be the savings of one person with the investment of another. You notice these challenges we're facing because the financial system is looking at financial markets and how they operate. Financial markets will tell us a lot. But we look at things and we first look at a bond. A bond is a certificate of indebtedness. We have debt that we look at. The challenges we're facing with the role of debt is important because firms will offer debts and firms will offer stocks for other implications, but these are going to be important to evaluate. Financial intermediaries are where consumers make decisions. You'll notice it's where savers can indirectly provide funds to borrowers. And you look at examples of this, we look at banks. That's one example. Then we look at mutual funds. That's another example. All of these decisions will help create opportunities for us. There's different kinds of savings. There's private savings. And this is a portion of investment of households' income that is used to impact markets. It's used for both consumption and taxes, and those are big challenges we're facing in terms of how they make decisions. We look at public savings, that's going to be a little different. Public savings is going to be looking at the role of tax revenue minus government spending. And you notice that these implications will be very important to evaluate in markets. National savings is private and public savings put together. Those decisions in markets are going to be interesting. They will make these differences in market in terms of how we look at income minus consumption minus government spending. Those could be important for us to look at and evaluate. Those implications could be also another analysis for us to look at too. But looking at the portion of national income that's used for consumption or government purchases, that could be a critical aspect for our economy to be able to grow.